Okay, now I'm going to try to do the most complex looking one on the last page, number 69. I'm doing -2x to the 3 halves plus 5 equals -681. So the directions are to solve for x. So we want to isolate our guy right here. We got a 5 being added to it, so let's go ahead and subtract 5 from each side. -6, that's super ugly. -681 minus 5 becomes -686. So I have -2x to the 3 halves equals -686. Now I'm going to divide both sides by -2, just working towards getting into that variable. Okay, so now I have x to the 3 halves equals a negative and a negative is a positive, and 2 going into 686 becomes 343. Positive 343. -2 going into -686. Now I want to isolate this x. So right now it's being raised to the 3 halves power. I want it to be raised to the first power. So I'm going to raise both sides to the 2/3 power by the reciprocal of this guy, which is 2/3. So, multiplying across, I get x to the 6/6, which is just x. X equals 343 raised to the 2/3 power. Okay. Just rewrite it down here. X equals 343 raised to the 2/3 power. When I have something that looks like this, the guy in the ditch goes in the denominator, so the guy in the denominator goes in the ditch. So I'll rewrite this number as the cubed root of 343 squared. Sorry, x equals the cubed root of 343 squared. So let's first take care of this cubed root of 343. I think it's 7. Let's see, x equals... Let me just double check. What is the cubed root of 343? It's got to be 7. 7 times 7 times 7. Yep, it's 7. So x equals 7 squared. So that 7 took care of this. Now I'm just going to keep my squared. So we know 7 squared is 49. So x equals 49. And that's your answer.